so shiny and red. B is for ball, you can bounce on your bed. C is for cat with a soft little purr. D is for dog who loves to stir. E is for elephant, big and so strong. F is for fish swimming all day long. G is for goat who loves to munch hay. H is for horse that gallops away. I is for igloo, so chilly and white. J is for jump, jump with all your might. K is for kite, flying up so high. L is for lion who roars at the sky. M is for moon that glows in the night. N is for nest, where birds take flight. O is for octopus under the sea. P is for penguin, waddling with glee. Q is for queen, quiet and quick. R is for rainbow, red, blue, and thick. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow in the night. U is for umbrella, up when it rains. V is for violin, lovely refrains. W is for whale, whoosh in the sea. X is for xylophone, play it with glee. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, stripes all around. Hi there, friends, come sing with me. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Counting numbers is a treat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, you did it! Let's count monkeys one by one, swinging, jumping, having fun. Clap your hands and sing with me. We'll count monkeys up to 30.
1 monkey, 2 monkeys, 3 monkeys, 4 monkeys, 5 monkeys, 6 monkeys, 7 monkeys, 8 monkeys,
9 monkeys, 10 monkeys. Keep on counting, here we go. Monkeys swinging high and low. 11 monkeys, 12 monkeys, 13 monkeys, 14 monkeys,
15 monkeys, 16 monkeys, 17 monkeys, 18 monkeys, 19 monkeys, 20 monkeys.
Keep on counting, clap your hands. Monkeys playing in the sand.
21 monkeys, 22 monkeys, 23 monkeys, 24 monkeys, 25 monkeys, 26 monkeys, 27 monkeys, 28 monkeys, 29 monkeys, 30 monkeys.
Hooray, hooray, we counted all. 30 monkeys, big and small. Let's count by fives.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100! Great job! We did it!
Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Counting numbers is a treat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Step by step, nice and slow. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We're getting strong and counting sturdy. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Counting numbers makes us sporty. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Halfway there, that's pretty nifty. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Numbers climbing oh so quickly. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. March in place and count so steady. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Smile so big and voices ready. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Almost there, that's mighty, mighty. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99.
We counted up to 100! Great job, huh? Hooray!
Blue, blue, blue. The ocean is blue. Red, red, red. The flower is red. Green, green, green. The turtle is green. Yellow, yellow, yellow. The sun is yellow. Purple, purple, purple. The eggplant is purple. Orange, orange, orange. The ball is orange. Black, black, black. The cat is black. White, white. The rice is white. It's fun to see colors everywhere.
Let's sing a lark color. Are you ready? Here we go.
Red, red, what do you see? I see apples on a tree. Red like a fire truck zooming by. Red like balloon up in the sky. Red, red, bright and bold. Red is the color we all can hold. Orange, orange, what's that glow? An orange carrot in a row. Orange like the setting sun. Orange pumpkins, oh what fun. Orange, orange, warm and bright. It shines just like Bananas make a yummy treat. Yellow like the shining sun. Yellow ducks are lots of fun. Yellow, yellow, bright and clear. It's the color of good cheer. Green, green, growing tall. Leaves and trees, we love them all. Green like frogs that hop around. Green grass growing from the ground. Green, green, soft and cool. Green's the color of nature's rule. Blue, blue, deep like the sea. Bluebirds flying happily. Blue like jeans and the sky so wide. Blue is calm, let's take a ride. Blue, blue, soft or bright. Blue is peaceful day and night. Purple, purple, royal and neat. Grapes are purple, such a treat. Purple like a wizard's hat or a cozy blanket. Imagine that. Purple, purple, magical hue. So many things are purple too. Black is night, the sky so deep. White is snow when we go to sleep. Zebras wear both black and white. What a color day and night. Red and orange, yellow too. Green and blue, then purple too. Let's clap, dance, twirl and spin. Learning colors is a win.
Let's go to the farm today. Hear what the animals have to say. What sound, what do they make? Let's find out for fun's sake. The cow goes moo, the cow goes moo. In the field, all day through. The cow goes moo, the cow goes moo. What sound do you do? The duck goes quack, the duck goes quack. Waddling round, front and back. The duck goes quack, the duck goes quack. Let's hear another track. The dog goes woof, the dog goes woof. Barking loud on the roof. The dog goes woof, the dog goes woof. He's a little goof. The cat goes meow, the cat goes meow. Sleeping in the window now. The cat goes meow, the cat goes meow. She's the queen of meow. The sheep goes ba, the sheep goes ba. Running round with mama and pa. The sheep goes ba, the sheep goes ba. Let's shout, yippee-yow! Oh, snake, the horse goes neigh. Clip-clop, hooray! The pig goes oink, the pig goes oink. Rolling in the mud near the joint. The pig goes oink, the pig goes oink. What a funny point! The chicken goes cluck, the chicken goes cluck. Pecking corn with lots of pluck. The chicken goes cluck, the chicken goes cluck. And jumps in the muck. The owl goes hoo, the owl goes hoo. Flying out when the sky is blue. The owl goes hoo, the owl goes hoo. He's watching over you. The elephant's trumpet, the elephant trumpets. Stomping feet in giant buckets. The elephant trumpets loud and proud. Wow, that was so loud. Now we've heard the animals play, making sounds in their own way. Moo, quack, woof and neigh. Let's sing again another day. Hooray!
A duck says quack, a duck says quack. A duck says quack, quack, quack. A cat says meow, a cat says meow. A cat says meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. dog says woof. A dog says woof. A dog says woof, woof, woof. A cow says moo. A cow says moo. A cow says moo, moo, moo. Moo, meow. A horse says neigh. A horse says neigh. A horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. Pig says oink. A pig says oink. A pig says oink, oink, oink. A duck says quack. A duck says quack. A duck says quack, quack, quack. A cat says meow. A cat says meow. A cat says meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. A dog says woof. A dog says woof. A dog says woof, woof, woof. A cow says moo. A cow says moo. A cow says moo, moo, moo. Moo, meow. A horse says neigh. A horse says neigh. A horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. Pig says oink. A pig says oink. A pig says oink, oink, oink.
Hello, hi, how do you do? I see a friend and I wave to you with a big bright smile and a friendly face. I say hello in every place. Hello, hello, let's all say hi. Wave your hand and don't be shy. Hello, hello, now you know that's the way we say hello. Hi there, friend, what's your name? Let's run around, let's play a game. We can laugh, we can share, make new friends everywhere. Hello, hello, let's all say hi. Wave your hand and don't be shy. Hello, hello, now you know that's the way we say hello. Say hi, hi. Say hello, hello. Say let's play, let's go. Say hooray, hooray. Friends are fun, come one, come all. We can dance and bounce a ball. If you're feeling kind and sweet, use your words when you meet. Say hi with a happy grin. That's how friendships all begin. Hello, hello, let's all say hi. Wave your hand and don't be shy. Hello, hello, now you know that's the way we say hello. So when you meet someone new, say hi and smile too. Making friends is easy to do when you say hello, how are you?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Saturday. One more time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's sing it again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's the days of the week.
What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Can we go outside and play? It's sunny, it's sunny. The sun is shining bright. Let's put on our hats and glasses. The weather feels just right. It's rainy, it's rainy. The rain is falling down. Let's wear our boots and raincoats and splash in puddles around. It's windy, it's windy. The wind is blowing strong. Let's fly a kite up in the sky and sing our weather song. It's snowy, it's snowy. The snow is falling white. Let's wear our warmest jackets and build a snowman high. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Look outside and you will see the weather's on display.
Let's sing a song and look around. So many shapes can all be found. Circle, square, triangle too. Let's learn what each shape can do. A circle is round, it has no sides, like the moon or wheels that roll and glide. It's smooth and round and goes around. A circle shape is nice. A square has four sides, all the same, like a picture frame in a lovely frame. Boxes, blocks, and little tiles. A square will always make you smile. A triangle has 1, 2, 3, like a slice of pie or a Christmas tree. 3 sharp corners, 3 straight lines. Triangles are shape design. Star has points 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, just like you see up in the sky. It shines so bright, stars glow in the dark of night. A heart is curvy at the top with a point that drops. Flip, flop, flop. We give a heart to show we care. It's a shape that love can share. Diamond's like a tilted square. You'll find it shaped just anywhere. It shines and sparkles bold and bright. A diamond shape is pure delight. Circle, square, triangle, star. Shapes are everywhere we are. Heart and diamond, come and play. Let's learn shapes every day. Square, triangle, star. Shapes are everywhere we are. Heart and diamond, come and play. Let's learn shapes every day.
like vegetables? Let's find out.
Do you like spinach? Do you like spinach? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like spinach. How about you? Do you like eggplant? Do you like eggplant? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like eggplant. How about you? Do you like carrots? Do you like carrots? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like carrots. How about you? I want to eat vegetables. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I want to eat vegetables for my lunch. Do you like broccoli? Do you like broccoli? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like broccoli. How about you? Do you like tomatoes? Do you like tomatoes? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like tomatoes. How about you? Do you like lettuce? Do you like lettuce? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like lettuce. How about you? Do you like potato? Do you like potato? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I like potato. How about you? We love vegetables. Yum, yum, yum. We love vegetables for everyone. Brush 'em left, brush 'em right, up and down, every night. Back and forth, round and round, with the brush in your mouth. So brush, 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 all the kids brush, even Mom brush and Daddy brush. And brush, 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 all the kids brush, even Mom brush and Daddy brush. Squeeze the paste on the brush, not too much, just enough. Put it in, then you swish, take it out, and you rinse. And brush, 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 all the kids brush, even Mom brush and Daddy brush. And brush, 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 all the kids brush, even Mom brush and Daddy brush.
It's potty time, let's go, let's go. Follow the steps, nice and slow. You're a big kid, hooray, hooray. Let's learn the potty way today. Step 1, when you feel it in your tummy, a little pressure or it feels kinda funny, stop and say, I need to go. Run to the potty, don't be slow. Step 2, tell a grown-up right away, they'll help you find the potty today. You're doing great, you're on the track. Potty time, no turning back. Step 3, pull your pants down low, undies too, nice and slow. Sit on the potty, feet on the ground, take your time, no need to rush around. Step 4, try to go push just a bit, wait for the tinkle, you're doing it. Or maybe it's poop, that's okay too. Big kids go potty just like you. Step 5, when you're all done, hooray, hooray. Get some paper, wipe away. Front to back, wipe nice and clean. Big kid hygiene is super keen. Step 6, pull your pants back up. Good job, champ, you're growing up. Flush the potty, say bye-bye. Wave to the water as it swirls on by. Step 7, go wash your hands. Water and soap, that's the plan. Scrub-a-dub-dub, rinse and dry. Now you're done, you're super fly. Potty time, hooray, hooray for you. Potty time, you're learning what to do. time saves the day. You did it, you're so cool, you're a potty training superstar. Next time you feel it, don't delay. Run to the potty right away.
The moon is whispering softly now. The stars are painting the night somehow. Close your eyes, let the world fade away. Twinkle dreams, twinkle dreams. Ride the clouds, sail the streams. Drift away, little one. The wind hums low, a lullaby tune. The sky wraps you in its silver cocoon. Tiny heart, rest easy, feel no fear. Night will guard you, calm and near. Sleep is safe, my love, my dear. Twinkle dreams, twinkle dreams. Ride the clouds, sail the streams. Drift away, little one. Hush now, the stars will sing a melody soft on feathered wing. Dreams will dance like fireflies under the blanket of velvet skies. Hush now, the stars will sing a melody soft on feathered wing. Dreams